Welcome to the Min Masters, and today I'm going to show you this soft rolling tonneau cover I have on my truck. So this is an 8-foot long soft rolling tonneau cover from Truxedo. This is their TruXport, and I would say this is a very cheap / budget entry cover because it's like $380, but it's super sweet. It's actually nice and firm. They have these pieces of tubing in here that actually hold the rigidity, and it's kept all the water out of this truck since November last year when I put it on. So let's check it out. So opening up my tailgate, to open it on either side there's a little latch right here. You just pull down on that, and just like that, this first piece here will actually flip up like that just because it's under tension, and then you can either pick a side and roll it over like so, or you can stand in the bed of the truck. Most people, this is the most comfortable way. There's one of your little support tubes. So I'm gonna roll this all the way to the end. Now, if you have to drive around with something large in the bed of your truck and you don't necessarily want this just to sit here where it may potentially fall off, it comes with these neat little straps that you can fish over and you can put right here in that loop. Very handy, as I have lost a cover without those, but I had other reasons why it blew off. So also install took me about 15 minutes at night. I promise I'm not an underwater basket weaver, but it's very simple. It's 3 pieces. It's this rail, that rail, and then the back rail. And basically these side rails plug into this back rail, and that's what secures it. There's gasket under all the rails, keep it watertight. And then you just attach these 3 aluminum clamps on either side rail and you're done. Now, a little finessing is needed to make sure that the distance from either side is equal. Obviously, you have the back rail to make sure that's nice, but you do need to measure and make sure these are equidistant. So once you're done doing whatever you need to do in the bed of your truck, you just come back and roll it all the way back, nice and easy. As you can see, I'm just one-handed, kind of haphazardly rolling this thing. The tubes help guide it into the little tracks on either side. When you get to this point, you want to take this bit and you'll want to catch it right in there on either side, fold and push down. And that's it. One final and minor step. You just want to take this Velcro and push it into its other half, and that way that stays secure. And then if you see these ripples on top, I like to get rid of those by gently pulling on the cover, then pushing down on the Velcro, and that just gives it that nice glassy look. And then I just kind of rub my hand all the way along it. And just like that, your stuff's nice and dry and nobody knows what you've got in the bed of your truck. And that's the other bit I love about it. So, things you actually want to know. I bought this on Amazon. It was like $380. There will be a link down in the description. I think you can get it primed, so nice and quick, super easy to install. You guys enjoy. See ya.